Some key economic data from Singapore for you. Manufacturing output in the month of July has declined by 0.4% compared to the same month a year ago, but it has increased at 3.6% compared to June.
Singapore's factory activity has been under pressure since the start of the year. The latest July figure of 0.4% year-on-year marks a third month of decline, according to government figures. This number, though, is much better than analysts' estimate of almost 5% fall in July.
Singapore's industrial output showed an increase in general manufacturing sector, rising 6.9% year-on-year in July. Chemicals output rose 2.2% and biomedical grew 0.8%.
But some segments weighed down July's industrial figures. Transport engineering cluster shrank 0.2% from July last year, while electronics output contracted 0.9%.
Precision engineering is the biggest drag, posting a 7.5% on-year decline, with machinery and systems segment recording lower output in semiconductor equipment and refrigeration systems.